What's up, fellow traders? Good morning, good afternoon, good midnight, wherever you are on earth listening to me. It's your boy again this morning, David, live from IFX Studio. Please, people, before we continue, please, I really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button in all of my social media platform. I really appreciate it. So now let's get down to business. I just want to do a little recap concerning crude oil, UK crude oil CFD. You understand? So we've done this before a long time ago, and we've said, oh, this is what is going to happen, this is what is going to happen. But it took a little time before it's actualized its own action. So here is what I'm saying, here is what I'm seeing here in the market. You understand, the market is an uptrending market, and I put all this, I put all this, I think that was last week or this week. I think it's this week. I think that was, no, I did this on Saturday. You understand, I did this on Saturday. You understand, and it did exactly as we forecasted. You understand. So but it reversed early. I think I did this Saturday 2 weeks ago or something like that, and it reversed early. You get it? It reversed early. It hits the point that we're talking about, and it bounced back up. You get it? So thank God, the market is going exactly as forecasted. Not just exactly as forecasted, but at least the market is actualizing its own stamina. You get it? This is, the bullish, the buyers right now are really dominating the market. They're really speaking the language. The bearish side are just trying to bring down the market, show people that we are selling, or the buyers are buying. You understand? So more shares are coming in, and more people that are selling shares at the same time doing business with their shares are still there. So this is what I see in this. You get it? So, but what I'm seeing here, thank God this market is going towards the direction that is forecasted. So I'll just say that for now. So I don't know what you see in this market, but always know that your opinions are always counted. Your opinions always matter. Just let me know what you see. Let me know what you believe that is going to happen in this market, please. I really appreciate it. Just drop a comment in the section below. Drop a polite comment and about the market specifically in the comment section below. Let me know what you see. Let me know what you believe that happened that makes this market to take this kind of action. Let me know if it is news. Let me know if it is not news. Let me know. But from what I can see, I don't trade news. Honestly, I don't trade news. You get it? But I follow price action. I follow price action a lot. I do a lot of price action analysis. I know that price action analysis of Forex trading and stock market is far more different from each other. So I'm still learning anyway. I'm still learning. So like we were saying, the market is taking a new structure, which is a very, very good thing. It hits from this point. It hits from, let's see what happened here. This is March 6, 2020. March 9, 2020. This is on Friday. Look at how the market jumpstart. The market jumped from here. Bearish. Look at it. The market started going bearish on the 3rd of March 2020 at 5280.7. And the market jumped down, and down and down. I'm bearish, I'm bearish, I'm bearish, I'm bearish, I'm bullish, I'm bearish, I'm bearish, I'm bearish, I'm bearish. I believe this is more than a month. This is more than a month. I'm bearish, I'm bearish, I'm bullish, I'm bearish, I'm bearish, I'm bullish, I'm bearish, 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 bullish, bearish, bullish, 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 bearish, 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 bearish. So here's my point. At this very era, around January 6, 2020, the market pick up a pace of the sellers. You understand? pick up the pace of the seller, which is a very, very good thing. But right now, the buyers are really dominating the market. This is what I see here. I don't know what you see, but please notice that your own opinion are always welcome. Your own opinion, what you see politely is always welcome. Please let me know what you see, but this is what I'm trading and this is how I trade. So just a quick notification. Just let me know what you believe will happen in this market. Let me know what you believe will happen in this market. Just like I said before, please like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button. I really appreciate that. And look at something here. To me, all this angle are things that I call trade war. You get it? I call it trade war because the market is like it's not trying to make a solidify specific decision yet. It's like trying to decide where will I move to. The buyers the buyers are really strong. The buyers are strong, the sellers are strong, so they drag, and it's like they want to be even. You understand? So they're dragging within each other, but right now the market the buyers are stronger than the sellers right now. This is what I believe happened in this very trending side. A lot of candlestick speaks a lot of languages here. Maybe it's going to go bullish, maybe it's going to go bearish. I don't want to get into that, and there are things that I see here that I can't talk about on air. You get it? So I keep those to myself. I'm sorry, but here's what I'm saying. What I'm saying here is that there are a lot of candles that speak a lot of language here that says, oh, this market is going to go down, it's going to go up, it's going to go down. When a market speaks a language like this, you all should know that the market is trying to take another route, is trying to take another direction, which it just does. You get it? So now here it broke out and it's trying to climb its momentum up, which it will. So people, please, I really appreciate it. This is all I will do for UK crude oil CFD this morning. Please like, share, subscribe, click the notification button, show your boy some love. Please trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God help us all. Have a good one. See you in my next video.